Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we keep our reviews simple, clear, and straight to the point. Today we are looking at the DJI Osmo 360 camera, a device that aims to make capturing immersive, high-quality 360-degree content easier than ever. The DJI Osmo 360 camera has a design that feels modern and functional. It's compact enough to fit into a small bag or even a large pocket, yet it feels sturdy in hand. The build quality is excellent, with a metal and high-grade plastic construction that can handle everyday use. The surface is smooth but grippy, giving you confidence while holding it. The lenses are placed strategically on opposite sides too. Capture a full 360-degree field of view without blind spots. The camera body has clean lines and minimal branding, giving it a professional look. DJI has clearly put effort into making it both stylish and practical, and it's easy to see it appealing to vloggers, travelers, and content creators. The display is small but sharp, offering a bright and clear preview of your shots. It's a touchscreen, so you can navigate menus, change modes, and review footage directly from the device. The interface is smooth and intuitive, making it easy even for beginners to get started. The screen is responsive and works well in different lighting conditions, so you can see your frame clearly whether you're indoors or outside in the sun. Performance is where this camera shines. The DJI Osmo 360 captures crisp, detailed footage with vibrant colors and strong contrast. The dual lens setup stitches footage together seamlessly, giving you a smooth and immersive 360-degree view. It handles both photos and videos well, with resolutions high enough to make your content look sharp even on large screens or VR headsets. The image stabilization is excellent thanks to DJI's advanced gimbal and electronic stabilization technology. Whether you're walking, riding, or moving the camera around quickly, footage remains smooth and steady. Low-light performance is solid for its size, with reduced noise and good color reproduction, though bright daylight still delivers the best results. On the software and features side, DJI has packed in a lot of functionality. You can control the camera through the built-in interface or via the DJI Mimo app on your phone, which gives you a larger viewfinder and more advanced controls. There are shooting modes like time-lapse, hyperlapse, slow motion, and various creative templates to help you produce engaging content quickly. The app also offers easy editing tools, letting you trim, add effects, and share directly to social media platforms. The automatic stitching is impressive. But you can also export unstitched footage if you want more control in professional editing. Software. Voice control is available too, making it possible to operate the camera hands-free, which is especially useful in action shots. Battery life is good for a camera of this type. You can expect around 70 to 90 minutes of continuous recording, depending on resolution and settings. For casual use, that's more than enough for a day of short clips. But for longer sessions, you'll want to carry extra batteries or a power bank. Charging is done through USB-C, and it supports fast charging so you can get back to shooting quickly for creative performance. The DJI Osmo 360 is incredibly versatile. It's great for capturing action sports, travel vlogs, or even immersive tours. The wide field of view means you don't have to worry about missing the action. You can reframe shots later in editing to focus on the best angles. The camera also works well for virtual reality content, giving viewers the feeling of being right there with you. Creators will appreciate how much flexibility they have in post-production. One 360-degree clip into multiple standard shots. The speakers on the device are clear enough for quick playback, though they're not meant for serious audio monitoring. For best results, you'll want to use external mics or the built-in directional audio capture, which does a good job of reducing background noise and keeping voices clear. DJI's audio processing makes a noticeable difference in windy or crowded environments. Connectivity is straightforward and reliable. The camera supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it easy to pair with your phone or transfer files quickly. You also have USB-C for wired connections and charging. The microSD card slot supports high-capacity cards. You can store hours of footage without constantly swapping memory, When it comes to price and value, the DJI Osmo 360 camera offers a strong balance between quality and cost. It's not the cheapest 360 camera out there, but given its excellent stabilization, quality image output, and intuitive software, it's a strong contender for anyone serious about immersive content creation. It competes well with other premium models while offering DJI's reliability and build quality. The pros include excellent image stabilization, sharp 360-degree footage, a user-friendly interface, solid build quality, and versatile shooting modes. The compact design makes it easy to carry, and the software integration with DJI Mimo is smooth. On the downside, battery life could be longer, and low light performance, while good, still can't match larger cameras. It's also for the highest quality editing. You'll need a powerful device to handle large 360-degree files. In the final verdict, the DJI Osmo 360 camera is a great choice for anyone looking to step into immersive video production without the headaches of complicated workflows. It's powerful enough for professionals, but accessible for beginners, offering a complete package that's ready to shoot and share. If you want a reliable 360 camera with great stabilization, strong image quality, and a portable design, this one should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. We bring you reviews that are simple, clear, and to the point. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more honest tech reviews coming soon.